Morning all, it's really early, it's like not even 8 in the morning yet and I'm sat here editing the video that's going to go out today. But I just wanted to tell Damon off because Damon, look what I'm eating for my breakfast. I hate you right now. Yikes, I should have put a coat on. Oh, do you know what? I'm going to go and put a coat on. This is blinking freezing. Whew, that's better. What on earth happened to that lovely heat wave we were having? Mum's managed to get another delivery slot for this weekend from Sainsbury's, so I can tack a couple of things onto her order, which is so handy. So thank you, Mommy. So I do want to do some outdoor work today, but it is really windy again, so apologies in advance for all the wind noise. I do have a lapel mic, but you know, gardening, I don't really want to be wired up to a microphone, if I'm honest. So I'll try and work something out so that it doesn't completely fry your brains with wind noise. It's a shame we had that lovely little heat wave for a few days and now we seem to be plunged back into Antarctic conditions. Right, that's that done. Let's get some eggs. 7 eggs so far. Unfortunately, I knocked the basket over, which meant that this little one rolled out and cracked. And also I found a membraney one in one of the nest boxes, which didn't make it, and it leaked everywhere, so I just grabbed it and threw it into the hedge. My Johnny Pop's a tractor driver! Roar! Get off my land! Oh, can you not make it bump so much?
It's very bumpy.
It's very bumpy.
It's very narrow down here.
Oh, I'm sorry if you lot are all feeling a bit seasick watching this, but it is a very bumpy ride. Whoa. Chief gate opener. Oh, those are new lambs, aren't they? Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. When did they start? It's only the last few days, huh?
Yeah.
So sweet. Well, thanks for the lift, Johnny.
You're very welcome.
I'll see you later. Bye. So while I'm waiting for things that I can plant in my garden, I've just been helping Mum weed one of her gardens, and she said, go and look in the Wendy house. So this is, it's like where all the gubbins is kept. But let me turn the camera. I could guess, thinking that's beetroot, but it might be Swiss chard. No idea what they are, but they're alive. That's beetroot in there. There's more kale over the back. More kale. More beetroot. More beetroot. We like beetroot. I have no idea what's up there. I can't see, so hopefully you lot can. I'm thinking Swiss chard. Oh, cucumbers. I thought they were my spaghetti squash. That's chickpeas. Aren't they cool? No clue. Marigolds. And then this is her lovely collection of, well, some would say tat. I say beautiful garden related paraphernalia. There's more stuff going on over here. Melon, I think. Sweet basil. No clue. I'd be guessing. And there's all boring electrical stuff, and then she's prettied it up with all these plant labels. Mum, you're adorable. You're so cute. Obviously there's a candelabra in the roof, because where else would you put your candelabra? Okay, see that? I don't know if you can see Johnny on the ground under Myrtle. He's taking her starter motor. I don't know how I feel about this. His van is down the garage. It's gone for the MOT. He wanted some work done on something or other, but the garage can only take like urgent things, i.e. MOTs. So he's getting it MOT'd as well, which I don't think he was planning on doing just yet, but there we go. The starter motor in his van isn't working, or is duff or something. So he's just come and asked if he could borrow Myrtle's starter motor. He's going to run that down to the garage, give it to Mark and see if that works. If so, then they'll know that it is the starter motor and he just needs to order a new one. And if it's not that, then I don't know what that means. But yes, Myrtle is being stripped of her parts. Okay, I think I'm going to finish up here now. It's only 5:10, but I think I've got a ton of footage today, what with that walk and everything. So I'm going to sit down and try and edit as much of this video as I can tonight, because what I find is I'm spending the entire morning editing, like anywhere between 3 and 5 hours each of these videos takes to edit. If I can get a head start on it tonight, then it means that I've got a bit more time in the morning for myself, which is kind of nice because that's my favourite time of day and that's when I get loads of stuff done. But yeah, I always feel that I've got to edit that first and that's most important, because like I've got to have it published before midday, and you know, that whole anxiety thing of getting something done on time, which is silly. Nobody's making me publish them by midday, it's just in my head. That's what I do. So long story short, I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please whack the thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because like, why wouldn't you want to subscribe to this, man? Let's be honest. And please keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.